Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by entering the BIOS or UEFI now. Press the manufacturer key during boot. Once in, navigate to Power Management and USB Configuration. This is where the persistent USB power option lives. You need to disable Fast Startup in Windows first, because it can override power settings. Make sure to save any work. Why do this? Because motherboard firmware controls standby power, and changing it directly prevents USB ports from staying energized after shutdown, saving devices and power. Once done, find settings labeled ERP, Wake on USB, USB standby power, or similar. These control 5V rail behavior. You will toggle ERP to enabled or explicitly turn off USB power in S5 so the board removes 5V when shut down. Make the change, save, and exit, then boot into your OS to confirm nothing else re-enables USB power. This approach modifies the firmware level supply, which is more reliable than OS tweaks and prevents phantom charging. After saving BIOS changes, shut down fully and check your USB devices. If LEDs are off and phones stop charging, you succeeded. If ports still provide power, make sure you disabled Fast Startup in the OS and turn off any per-device power management in Device Manager. Sometimes Windows can reassert control. If problems persist, update the motherboard firmware, double-check jumpers or front panel wiring, and consult the manual. And remember, try one change at a time so you can reverse settings safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.